Understood. I wanted to ask you that you said that in public speaking there are various technical skills that one needs to command over if they want to become great at things. But there are people complaining for the fact that for any other skill in the world there are like genuine benchmarks. Like if you want to learn coding, if you want to learn Photoshop or any other skill, there are genuine levels that okay you finished till here, you finished till here, and you know how you're progressing because you get instant things. Okay, I could do
Yeah.
these things, I've learned this thing. With respect to soft skills, there are no such benchmarks. Like you do not get instant scorecards that okay, this is your score
Yeah.
into public speaking and all.
Hmm.
And that's the main reason why many people do not join clubs, organizations, or even paid classes to enhance their soft skills. So what is the solution over here for someone like who is confused as to how will this guy improve my soft skill wherein there are no numbers attached to it?
Well, I'll answer that in terms of Toastmasters. So I mentioned that Toastmasters has an education program called Pathways,
Okay.
right? So and there are several different paths, so-called paths in each, depending on what your goal is in Toastmasters. So, for example, my personal goal was to develop interpersonal skills. So there's a separate path that targets to develop your interpersonal skills. It's called motivational strategies. So there are several different parts like this. There's presentation mastery, there's leadership development, there's dynamic leadership, and there's so many more. There's engaging humor, and every path has 5 levels, right? Every level is in ascending order of difficulty. So level 1 is the absolute beginning. Level 1, you start with the icebreaker. You go and deliver, and you say something about yourself. You're not expected to do any voice modulation, anything like that. You're just expected to go on stage with this sole objective of introducing yourself to the public. That's all.
Yeah.
So you start off at the very easy level, and then you move on slowly and steadily. You also develop. So as you move along each level, your difficulty level increases, and that's how you know you're improving.
Yeah.
So that is kind of a very standard benchmark in Toastmasters. So you move along with every path. You then move to another project, another advanced communication series, and that is your, uh, you know, uh, sort of your certification, so to say, in public speaking.
Yeah.